Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out a wall sconce here. I'm going to be doing installation of this also. So this is kind of like a farmhouse, kind of country looking sconce here. Got some instructions on top. And then we have have the wall portion here. All right, that looks kind of nice there. And next we have this little basket. So it's kind of unique. I haven't really seen a design like this before. It's got these little weaves in here. Looks like twine or something. And it's gonna let the light come in through that. So it's gonna look something like that. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Let's go install it, shall we? Looks like pretty, should be fairly easy on the install as well. You just have this mounting plate that should go with any standard like wall sconcing you have, and just a couple screws here on the sides. It shouldn't be more than 5 minutes, but you know me, it takes a while sometimes, so we'll see you guys soon. Okay friends, so I have this here and already has a plate on there, but we're just going to go ahead and remove this one. So there's that wall sconce was here. What you want is a Phillips head screwdriver and a voltmeter to make sure that your wires are not live. And you want to test it in a live You want to test it on a live circuit first, so you make sure it's working, and then we can see that those are all have no current. Okay, so now we can remove this, and on the back of our sconce here, we have these two screws right here. We're just going to take those out, hopefully. There's one, I'll just put it in my pocket. And then I can take the other one out here. All right, set that aside. And when you install this, you want these facing out towards you. All right, there's that. And you want to make sure that these are going to be flat. So you wouldn't want to level those off if you want it like perfectly flat there. And we can take our screws that we had from the other one, and we're just going to put those in. There's one right here. I'm not going to screw this one in all the way yet. I'm going to screw it in about 90% of the way. Then I'm going to get my other screw in there and see where I can put it so it's going to be the flattest. Wonder why that is almost off a little bit. Alrighty, well, this could be interesting. Obviously, I'm not going to have it that way. I'm going to have to try to get into that hole right there. So that's where I want to get it. I'll have to push up a little bit. There we go. Okay. That's why you don't want to tighten that one down all the way yet. Okay. And then, I wonder why that one's like being weird. Okay. That's pretty level. If I was going to keep this install, obviously I'm going to run a level across the bottom of that to make sure it's perfectly level. Okay. Next we install our sconce portion here. This is going to go up there like this. So what I'd like to do with these is, if we have a ground, I like to just basically use my ground to hold this up there. It does a good job. It's fastened there to the thing. And so we're just going to tighten that around our ground just like that and screw that on there. And now that will hold your sconce in place a little bit. Okay. And then you can do the other wires. So obviously we have white and black. If they're a little frayed, go ahead and just twist those together so they are together. And then I'm going to twist those kind of around there. Get your cap and put that on. And you want that pretty tight, about as tight as you can get it on there. Okay, and then the same thing with our black wire there. Go ahead and wrap that around. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten this down nice and snug on there. Okay, and when those are done, you just kind of push those in to the hole, the box there, just like that. And I left my screwdriver over there. That was smart. And where did I put my screws? Okay, I put my screws over there, and aha, I got it with my foot. All right, so now that that is there, I can just look where my screw holes are. So I'm just going to come in from the side here. I saw it over there already. Get that in there a little bit, and don't tighten it all the way. Just till it starts threading in. Okay, so it's actually threaded in there. And I just want to leave it loose so we can come in from the other side, and you'll look and see where this is going to be, and you can line it up a lot easier. Okay, once you can see that, then just kind of hand tighten that in there. And that's pretty much all there is to it. We're just going to tighten this up a little bit. Not super tight on each side yet. Okay, and then we tighten that up. And there we are. Okay. So, let's see. Just have a little bit of a thing there. We need a light bulb. And we also need to put our little lantern on here. Just unscrew this. And get our light bulb in there. Okay, so I'm going to screw that on. Actually, get my, almost messed up there. I'm going to put this on first. So this goes up there over that, and then just goes on top of that and just screws that down onto there. Just like that. That's cool. All right, and now we can get our light bulb right in there. And here we go. Alrighty, now we gotta just test it out, see if it turns on. All right, well, there we have it. Looks kind of elegant there, just kind of like a country feel to it. Have the nice light filtering through the braids there. Looks pretty cool. And throws out a nice little pattern on the wall. Kind of disperses the light there so it's not, you know, shining right in your face or whatever. It kind of does the effect of like glass around there with the string. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Didn't get it under 5 minutes, my install, but I tried. Thanks. Yeah, sometimes you run into a little bit of issues with screws falling and things like that. But an elegant light for sure. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time.